In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a buyer on eBay, a key skill for beginners looking to navigate the online marketplace safely. Whether it's a negative experience or a buyer not adhering to eBay's policies, it's important to know how to address these issues properly. Let's walk through this process step by step so that you can handle such situations confidently. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the eBay homepage if you aren't there already. Take a moment to log into your account if you haven't done so. Logging in will give you access to your personal dashboard, which is an essential starting point for managing all your eBay interactions. Once you're logged in, head over to the Messages section. This is where you'll find all the communications and notifications related to your eBay transactions, both buying and selling. By clicking on Messages from the main menu, you can access all your buyer-seller communications in one convenient location. Now, with your messages in front of you, look for the conversation or order related to the buyer you wish to report. It's best to carefully read through the message or review the transaction details to ensure that you have all the relevant information before moving forward. If the issue lies within a specific order, having the order number or details at your fingertips can be incredibly helpful. After you've found the pertinent message or order, look for the small but mighty Report Buyer button. This option is usually within the message itself or accessible through additional options in the transaction details. Clicking this will open a form dedicated to reporting buyer issues to eBay. This is your opportunity to clearly explain the situation. Be concise but thorough in detailing the actions or behavior that prompted your decision to report, including any specific instances and how they violate eBay's rules can bolster your report significantly. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to submit the report. Simply click the Submit button, and your report will be sent directly to eBay for review. This initiates their process to investigate the matter, and they'll determine if any actions need to be taken against the buyer. Remember, reporting a buyer should be reserved for serious concerns after you've attempted other ways to resolve the issue, if possible. eBay takes these reports seriously, and misuse may affect its effectiveness. Keeping your communications professional and fact-based not only helps eBay, but also ensures that your own standing remains positive on the platform. Being equipped with this ability is crucial for protecting yourself and others within the eBay community. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope this has empowered you to take the right steps when facing challenges as an eBay seller.